Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the creative process of crafting your very own custom sublimation license plates. This is a fantastic way to showcase your personality or brand while on the road. By following these steps, you'll increase chances of being able to design and produce vibrant, durable license plates that truly stand out. Before we get started, make sure you visit my website, link in the description below, or search for my brand, Color Vistas, online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. First, let's talk about the materials you'll need. Selecting high-quality sublimation blanks is crucial, as they serve as the canvas for your design. A white semi-gloss aluminum license plate blank is ideal, offering a glossy and durable finish. Coastal Business, for instance, offers blanks measuring 6.46 by 12.21 inches with a thickness of 0.030 inches, perfectly suited for standard license plates. Next, you'll need sublimation paper large enough to cover the entire plate, typically 8.5 by 14 inches. If your design features rich, vibrant colors, opting for a heavier saturation paper can yield better results. Now on to the design process. Using design software like Photoshop, GIMP, or Inkscape, you can create a personalized design featuring anything from team logos to pet images. Once your design is ready, print it onto your sublimation paper using a sublimation printer with the appropriate inks. Before transferring your design, it's essential to prepare the license plate blank. Start by peeling off any protective film and cleaning the surface with a lint roller to remove debris. Place your printed design face up on a flat surface, then position the license plate face down on top of it, ensuring the design covers the entire plate. Secure the plate to the paper using heat-resistant tape at the corners to prevent movement during the transfer process. With your heat press preheated to 385 degrees Fahrenheit, arrange your materials in the following order: a Nomex pad on the bottom, a sheet of protective paper, the license plate with the sublimation print on top, and another sheet of protective paper. Apply medium pressure for 120 seconds. After the time elapses, carefully remove the license plate using heat-resistant gloves and place it on a heat-resistant mat to cool. Once cooled, peel away the sublimation paper to reveal your custom design. Congratulations! You've successfully created your own personalized sublimation license plate. This process allows for endless creativity, enabling you to produce unique designs that reflect your style or brand. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. You can visit my website, link in the description below, or search for my brand, Color Vistas, online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. See you in the next video.